Are you tired of having ugly dashboard? So I'm going to show you how you can take it apart and how you can replace the old light bulbs for the new ones and put LED on everything, and everything will look great. So if you want to even to dim it, you can do it as well with the dimmer that comes on the left. To remove these and to have access to the lights, you're going to have to remove these two screws here. Also here on the bottom you have two screws as well, one here and another there. And what you have to remove in order to do that, otherwise it's going to be way more difficult, you have to remove this. So this goes here, as you can see, and you have 4 screws here and here. So in each side you have 2 screws here, 2 screws in the other side, and that's it. So make sure that you remove them all. You should be able to take this out, put it back in, and that's it. And then you can control the brightness with this. Once you have this out, all you have to do is just pull this out and then remove each one of them, and then that's it. So you have 12 light bulbs. So you have the big ones, the 3, and then you have these little ones over here. And after that, try to clean it up, put it back, and it should work. Ahí se ve súper bien. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Later, I'm going to make another one, so that way if you want to replace the turning lights, you can do that as well. If you're outside of the United States, you need any part or anything like that, please let me know. In the section below, you have all my information. Otherwise, I'll try to leave the link so that way you can buy everything yourself.